Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse.
Create insane jugs edit in CapCut. So here I'm gonna give you a quick tutorial on cat CapCut's jug. So how to make jugs here in CapCut. So here's the original clip as you can see right now. Now how to make this jug. Well, I'm gonna teach you. So I always do is what I do is for the raw footage I always um, make it half of it disappear, or maybe more than half of it disappear, and leave the other clips for the jugs. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do right now. So I'm gonna cut the other clips, say that clip right there. So I'm just gonna find the clips that I want right there. Oopsie, right there. There you go. Right there. Want that. What about there? Right there. And then right there. There. Cut there. And cut there. So yeah, say it like that. So this is one, two, three, four, five. So as you can see right now, once you watch the video, it looks like that. So now, what I can we're gonna do is we need to align them like as such, like at the same seconds. Let's say there we go. Let's follow this one right here. There you go. We're gonna align them all as the same. That's what I do. At least align them all. Then after aligning them all, I put them back all to their place. So there. Once we do that, there as you can see. So we got 3 second feed. So now we're gonna adjust the speed on each video. It's just curve customizing it. As you can see, now we're gonna maximize the upper part right there. Always maximize the upper part, and the lower part right here, lower it. And the half of it, make it lower, but make it like that low. Like not as low as this one right here. As you can see right there. You'll see. Don't make it the same. There we go. Make it above it a little bit. There we go. So once you play it, it's gonna look like. Uh, so now I'm gonna show you when it's all like that. So we're just gonna edit them all fast. Some others add rebounds, something like that. We're not gonna add those. We're just gonna do the shakes after this one. So we're just gonna add this ones right here. Then we're gonna add the shakes. There you go. There you go. So now just gonna add this ones right here. And a quick tip for you guys: the best what do you call this? The best tip that I can give you is find a good music for the video. So without a good music for the video is not that much good as you would expect. So I suggest giving it music because music gives it its aliveness. So it gives the viewers their uh, their liveness, as you see right there. There you go. As you see, the video looks much more nicer. It like jugs a bit. So now we're just gonna put in some what do you call this shakiness. So just putting in some shakes, shake. There you go. That's right there. So just putting in some shakes. Yeah, there you go. alternate some shakes. Don't put it on all of them. There you go. As you can see right now, because we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So there. So I think we can add a shake to the end. Nope, we can't. There you go. For the transition. Doop, 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 doop. Now we're gonna go to the effect and we're gonna add shakes to those that don't have shake. There you go. Camera shake. Right here. So we're gonna choose this one right here. This one there. And see if it looks good. There. Okay. So we're just gonna add the vertical shake because it looks much more better. We're gonna add that to the end. There you go. So then we're gonna add one to the front. There you go. Now we're gonna add one to the middle. Don't put a lot of shakes on all of them. There you go. So there you go. As you can see, it looks much more better now. There you go. Now for the last part of the video, we're just gonna make them not all straight. We're just gonna make the others like a zoom, like that. Now there you go. So yeah, that's how you make a jug effect in your CapCut. So a quick tip for you guys: you can also add some to call this color to it. Like let's say you want to add an effect or like something like gray or something like that, or make it a little bit scary, darker. You can add those, or you can add like this one right here, black flash. So it would look like this. Yeah, if you add them all, depending on the theme of your video, let's say it's like a Halloween thing or something like that, you can add those. So as you can see, there you go. You can add like much more effects to it, but overall that's the basic how to make jug on your CapCut. So yeah, I hope you guys like the video because you enjoyed. If you have any more questions, type it in the comment section below and we'll be happy to answer you, and thank you.
If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.